In this lesson, we're going to go back to just a select statement, and we're going to look at how to alias column names and table names within our select statement. So aliasing table names can become useful when you're selecting from multiple tables that have identical column names, and you want to specify which table you want to grab that specific column from. Aliasing column names can become useful if you decide to select the same column name from both tables and you want to distinguish between the two column names which table it's coming from when you display the results. So let's take a look at this example. In this select statement, we're just going to be selecting the name column and the email column from our users table. And we're going to be aliasing the users table with a U and the column name as username. So let's see how this works. So before I run this statement, let's take a look at it to see or guess what's going to be returned. So as we said before, the users table is going to be aliased as a U. This could be anything really, but you want to keep it simple. So if we look back at our select statement, we can see our name column and our email column have a U dot in front of the column name. So the U dot is signifying that we want to select this column name from our users table that is aliased with U. With our name column, we also have an additional alias where we're renaming the name of that column for our displayed results. So in this case, we have u.name as keyword and then the name that we want to give that column when it's returned. So in this case, username. So let's see the result that is returned with this statement. So as you can see below, we have two columns returned. Our username column, that's the column name aliased to username, and then our email column, and all the data returned for both those columns from our users table. So this shows you how we can alias column names and our table names for purposes that we will get into in our later lessons. But this is a good overview on a simple way of showing how to alias our users table and how to alias a column that we're selecting.